let's just quickly review the VLookup function in Excel and in Google Drives, Google Sheets. So now suppose we have a sample request for quotation here. And you know all these part numbers you have already quoted in some earlier request for quotes. Suppose like, okay, let's just scroll up a little bit. So this part number 0026, you can see you have quoted in estimate number in the request inquiry number 131. Similarly, this 0032 also I think we have quoted in the same RFQ in the inquiry number 131. So instead of searching one by one, you can even do a one by one search and get the prices what you gave earlier. But a better and faster way when you have a lot of data is to use VLookup. So how to use it? So any formula you're using in Excel or Google Sheets, you have to begin with the equal to sign. So you put an equal to VLookup. Then VLookup will always have 4 parameters. Okay. So the very first parameter is what you want to search for. So what you want to search for is part number. Part number is in cell F1660 or whatever the cell it may be. Right? So that is the first parameter. The second parameter, we put a comma. The second parameter is the range where you want to search this part number for. So the range will be this inquiry number 131. Right? So when you are selecting the range of cells where you want to search the part for, make sure that whatever you are looking up for should be in the leftmost column of the range which you have selected. Okay, so you want to search for the part number, right? So now when you are selecting the range, the data range, the part number should be the leftmost column. So we select all the data goes like this for all the inquiry numbers 131, 131. So here we have one. Okay. Now third parameter of VLookup is we put a comma here. Third parameter is the column number in the data range which you want to pull out. Okay, so against each part number you want the price to come out. So you have selected the range from F, okay, from column number F to column number N, right? So from the leftmost column, what is the column number of price? We just count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the sixth column from the left. So you enter 6. Then the last parameter is an optional parameter, but just consider you will always put it as false because what you want to search is the exact value, not the approximate value. So, false and close the brackets. So you can see that the value must come up. Even if you search it manually, it's part number 20026, you search it manually. The last time we quoted it was 6757.35. Here also it was 6757.35. Okay. Now, in order to, you want the same formula to be applied for the subsequent rows below this also. So what you can do is you can drag this one down to copy the formula. But if you see the problem now, here the formula is searching for this cell F1660. In the subsequent row, it is searching for F1661. That is okay. But if you see the data range is also changing. Here it is looking for F1626 to F1643. In the next row, it is looking from X1627 to 1664 instead of 1643. So that should not be the case. The data range where you want to search the data for should always remain the same. So what we do in that case is we use dollar signs before the row number and the column number. And afterwards, we can drag it down so that your data range will not change. Now, if you see your data range is not changing, right? It's still the same. So, so that is it.